GP40-9. A GP40-3. 6554, 7251. This is going to the Okay, so we were just trying to go to downtown, and I was literally thinking about like looking down there to see if the lights were green, and it just so happens that a wish just came true. A train came by, and it's nice that an EMD came by. So we'll go to one of our spots that we go to, and we're gonna catch the train from there. We made it. We made it. Somebody's down there. All right, so this is our spot that we were talking about. If you don't remember from maybe like 3 other videos, maybe. Now we just gotta wait. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but if I did have an editor, I would tell him to boost the audio up. But y'all can hear the engine. So apparently this is a rebuild. This is a CM44AC with a GP40-3. Here is the engine. Engines, trains. I hope y'all like it. Come here. This reminds me of another video. 7251. That was pretty cool. Seeing rebuilds are not the most common thing. Mostly the most common thing that you would see here would be a GE unit like the ES44. Oh, okay. It's a pretty cool train car. A lot of old logos. And a very old logo. It's all gonna be A-okay. What the? Oh, there's somebody right there. DPU 7235 CM44AC rebuild. 2 CM44AC rebuilds, and a GP40-3. I feel like the only times that you'll be able to see GP40-3s and SD40-3s would be on locals. More older logos. I like that. The founding father of the BNSF. Ex-Canadian National. More Burlington Northerns. And a big logo. Okay, but there's a lot of Burlington Northerns on here. That's one, two. I'm sure this is one at some point. That's the end. That was a really cool train to see, because most of the times you don't even get to see those kinds of consists. Anyways, I hope you all liked the video, and please subscribe for more if you liked my content.